Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is an extra special day because I'm excited to be part of a new collaboration with Bond Crafter. And this is an epoxy resin, and they've kindly sent me this amazing kit along with another box of their 1-to-1 resin. I'll be trying this out in today's project. We'll start out by opening up this kit together to see what's inside. I'll also be showing you the instructions on screen so you can see how easy it is to use these products. Then we'll dive in to creating something really beautiful together. Let's get started. And this is the epoxy resin instructions. Mixing ratio 1-to-1, A and B, crystal clear, bubble free, fast curing. It is self-leveling. And these are the instructions that come in the packaging. As you can see, it's simple and easy to use. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions. As with all epoxy resins, please use the proper safety gear. Please look in my description below for that information. So what came in this box, this is the smaller box they sent me, and it's an A and B epoxy resin, and this has 2 little cups. After 8 hours, and it fully cures after 24 hours, and you only mix it for 3 minutes. I'm going to put all the information down below in my description of where you can purchase this. And it came with 4 gloves and 5 stir sticks, and these are new molds, brand new molds, and these are iron Orchid Designs, and these molds are absolutely amazing. You can use most casting mediums with them. And they do have, I'm going to show you right on here, it tells you on each little ornament here how much resin. You see that? Each ornament has how much resin should be used on the ornament. Now, I'm going to use the epoxy resin on these today, and I added this up, and it comes to about 120 milliliters, and I'm going to make 130 just so I have a little left over, just to have a little bit left over. So let me mix up my resin and I'll be back. Okay, I'm taking these out of the hot water bath right now. And you want to be sure not to let that water touch any of your resin in any way, shape, or form. Now I'm going to be filling up my cup, and as I said before, 130 milliliters. gonna do 70 and 70. I'll make that 140. And that's my A. And that's my part B. And that's 140. And I'm gonna mix that for 3 minutes until all those little striations that you see in there right now, they'll disappear. And I'll return. Okay, so I let this sit for a little bit. And now I am going to pour this into my mold. And I'm going to use this as a clear. I'm going to make these clear because I want to see exactly how beautiful these are. So I put that on my heating mat, and when I picked it up, it started to come out. So let me just do that here. And it's a little soft. So this was a little overflow. And these come frosted. Really pretty. It comes frosted because that's the way it is here, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So let me demold the rest of these. That's really pretty. So there are some bubbles, but because of the frosting on this, it really doesn't matter. Please excuse my fingernails. I have been working with lots of colors here. I love the way the frosting on this is. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Except for that one bubble on the outside here. Okay. So I just want to share a few of my thoughts for the holiday season with you from here on in, and I hope you don't mind that you just watch what's happening in the background. The holiday season is often portrayed as a time of joy, togetherness, and celebration with family and friends. But for many, Christmas can be a difficult and lonely time. Not everyone has big holidays filled with loved ones. Some may find themselves spending the season entirely alone, while others may be surrounded by people, yet still feeling isolated. It's important to acknowledge these experiences and explore how we can reach out to those who may need a little extra care and kindness during this season. For those who are alone during the holidays, simple gestures can make a world of difference. A phone call, a heartfelt message, or even sending a small card can let someone know they're being thought of and valued. If you know someone who might be spending Christmas by themselves, consider inviting them to join your celebration, even if it's for a cup of coffee or for a meal. These small acts of inclusion can be deeply meaningful. For those who feel alone, even in a crowd, listening without judgment and offering genuine support can help. Often people just need someone to hear them and acknowledge their feelings without trying to fix or dismiss them. A warm hug or a simple "I'm here for you," or an offer to spend some quiet time together can provide immense comfort. It's also important to remember those who appear to be okay on the outside, but sometimes are hurting on the inside. Many people wear a brave face, especially during the holidays, while silently struggling. These may be the same individuals who do so much for others, but really take the time to look inside and care for their own emotional well-being. Reaching out to these individuals with kindness, empathy, and an open heart can make a significant difference. A simple "how are you really doing" can be a powerful question that opens the door to meaningful connections. For those who may be grieving or missing a loved one during the holidays, consider creating opportunities for them to honor and remember those they've lost. This could include lighting a candle, sharing a cherished memory, or setting aside a moment of reflection. On a broader level, there are countless ways to spread kindness during the holiday season. Lastly, it's important to be gentle with yourself. The holidays don't have to be perfect or extravagant to be meaningful. Focusing on small moments of joy, practicing gratitude, and reaching out to connect with others, whether through a video call, a shared meal, or simply a thoughtful message, can transform the season into something beautiful. As I take my holiday early this week and use this as my last video for 2024, I want to take a moment and thank everyone for their incredible support throughout this year. Your encouragement, kindness, and engagement have meant the world to me. I am so grateful for this wonderful community. I want to give a special thanks to Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club for keeping me going all year with her inspiration and encouragement. As we celebrate Christmas, let's remember that the spirit of the holiday is not about how many gifts are exchanged or how many people gather around the table. It's about showing love, kindness, and generosity, especially to those who may need it the most. Together we can create a season of true togetherness and compassion, ensuring that no one feels forgotten or alone. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Happy holidays. Whatever you may observe, may it be happy. Till next time. Bye-bye now.